vulnerability scanning using Nessus. So now guys, in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about how to perform vulnerability scanning using Nessus network vulnerability scanner and how you can generate a report of vulnerability scanning using Nessus. So let's talk about vulnerability scanning using Nessus. So Nessus can provide all information about vulnerabilities in machines. For example, if a network has 10 machines and if you run Nessus inside that network, so Nessus can provide you all the vulnerability details about all the machines available in the network. And remember, it works on port number 8834, right? It can provide list of vulnerabilities according to IP address. Yeah, it lists all the vulnerabilities according to the IP address. For example, if there are 10 machines, so it provides you 10 different IP address, and according to the IP address you will find the particular vulnerability, so that we can collect the vulnerabilities using the particular IP addresses. So now in the previous video we have successfully downloaded and installed Nessus network vulnerability scanner, and now I'm going to show you that how you can use Nessus vulnerability scanner to find out vulnerabilities in network. So guys, it's quite simple. You need to just search Nessus web client inside your search box and you will find the link. So inside my window I can search here Nessus web client, and here you can see the link. Click here and open this. So here it is going to open inside my browser, and here it is. So now it is asking my username and password. So we have already know our username and the password, so admin is the username and password, and click sign in. Here it is. So you can see here that this is the Nessus graphical user interface. So guys, now I'm going to show you that how you can scan your network or a particular machine using Nessus. So you can click on new scan, click on advanced scan. Now it is preparing for the scan. You just need to wait here, and here it is. So you need to type the name of the project, for example network scanning. Description, you can type just simply scanning. Target, for example if I want to scan my Windows machine, so you need to find out the IP address. So open your command prompt and type ipconfig. Check your IP address. So IP address is 192.168.0.2. Type here the target 192.168.0.2, right? This is just for one machine, right? So for example, if you want to perform scanning on 50 machines, and this is your first machine and your final machine is 192.168.0.60, for example. So all the machines inside this range will be scanned. Alright, so now I'm going to scan just one machine here, which is my Windows machine. So click save, and here it is. Check here and click launch. So now you can see that it is running, scanning is running. Double click here and you can see that it has already found 40 vulnerabilities, but these vulnerabilities are info, right? So I don't have any critical, high, medium or low vulnerability in my machine, and you can click on vulnerabilities to get information about all the vulnerabilities available in the particular machine or in the network, right? So you just need to wait here, right? And more machines means will take more time. Alright, so this is the basic information, and you can check here 14 vulnerabilities, but all are info part. So if you want to check, click on any vulnerability, read it about it, how you can solve this problem. So everything is written inside Nessus. So this is the basic information about how you can scan a particular machine inside Nessus. Great. Click on my scan and you can stop this, or you can wait for the completion. Let me stop it. Now how you can create a report of this. So open this, and here you can export. For example, if I want to download it in HTML format, so I can click export, and now it is exporting. Let me open this inside Mozilla Firefox. Click here and open it inside Mozilla. So here you can see that this is a report created by Nessus network vulnerability scanner for one machine, right? So you can see here there are only 50 info part. If you click on show details, you will get information about all the information. You can also export the report in PDF format or in other format as well. So this is a basic information that how you can use Nessus to scan a particular machine or a complete network very easily, right? So this is all about Nessus. If we talk about the section summary, that what we have learned in this section, so first of all we have learned about the scanning process of IP addresses, then we have learned about how you can perform port scanning using Nmap, then we have learned that how you can install Nessus inside your machine, and then we have learned finally how you can scan for vulnerabilities using Nessus. So this is all about this section and I hope you have enjoyed it. In the next section we are going to learn about network pen testing, network host exploitation with AV bypass mechanism. Thank you.